Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you. Not good evening. This is 6 days, 6 socials and tarot messages from good morning. From today till the 18th of May, okay? For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box, and for courses too, self-love, tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Everything is given below. Let's see, Saggies. 13th May we have the courage. You should have the courage and the strength to be different. If you have a different vision, if you have a different goal that maybe other people are not able to understand, you should take a stand for yourself. You should have the courage and the strength to stand for yourself and do whatever you feel is right for you in order to go in the direction of your goal. You're definitely going to get success, but you have to show the courage and the strength from your side to walk on that path. That's the deal here. 14th of May we have the guidance. Now if you are seeking answer for some kind of questions and you are kind of tired of getting not tired of not getting the answer, you will be able to find the answer with the help of guidance, with the help of somebody else's guidance. Maybe you're going to get the guidance in your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams, pay attention to the symbols, pay attention to the videos you're watching this day, and or maybe somebody random, like you're talking to somebody and you're going to get the answer in random talks. So on this particular day, for some of you, you can definitely seek professional help. If you want to, you are definitely going to get the guidance, but for others of you, you are going to get the guidance that you're seeking for when you are going to be least expecting it to get. So be aware about the whole day. 15th of May we have the participation. So give your full participation from your side in whatever area of your life you're working on, a project work, a team work, or other people are also involved in a situation. So from your side, give your best, even if nobody's watching, even if nobody bothers like what they are doing or what they are putting on the table. Don't care about them. Just give your best, do your best, and you are going to be rewarded in the coming future for sure, if not immediately, definitely. Okay, so the universe is watching. You don't have to show anybody else. It's between you and the universe, you and existence. Basically existence is just only you and you. So it's like 13, 14, 15. 16th we have the inner voice. Now in order to get the answers that you're seeking for, maybe from the outside world, trying to figure out what should you do, what you should not do, you already know the answer. All you have to do is tap into your inner voice, sit with yourself, sit in silence, and ask your questions from yourself again and again, and you're definitely going to get the answer. Okay. 17th we have the nothingness or nothingness. You are going to be provided a clean slate. Something is going to happen that's going to force you to start or restart a fresh chapter of your life in certain area of your life. It's going to kind of make you feel like, okay, this is a fresh day, this is a new day, this is a new chapter, and whatever you're going to write on this slate is up to you now. Okay. Yeah, a new day, a fresh start, a brand new chapter. 18th of May we have the moment to moment. Now on the 18th of May, you might have this tendency to cling to the past. Maybe you're thinking a lot about the future all the time. Try to live this day on a moment to moment basis. The more you are going to live your life in the present moment and take life one day at a time or moment to moment, the more it's going to be easier for you to deal with the situations. Actually 70% of our problems are regarding future, and or we are stuck on the past. If we start living in the present moment without thinking much about the future or the past, 70% of our problems that we keep on making in our scenarios in our mind is going to be resolved. Trust me, try to do that. I'm not 100% there where I'm continuously living in the present moment, but I'm almost there, that where I'm kind of mostly like 70 to 80% of my day is in present moment. Of course, I'm a human, I also think about the future and the past, but 70 to 80% with practice I am in the present moment only. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Saggies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.